Welcome to the MecSoft User Spotlight series, where you can see how real customers are using MecSoft products. Today we'll be spotlighting Air Motive Specialties in their use of RhinoCAM CNC software. One of the most exciting things we get to do here at MecSoft Corporation is give voice to the hardworking men and women who use our software on a daily basis while fulfilling their passion through manufacturing. Dave Teeters, President and Operator of Air Motive Specialties Incorporated, located in Salinas, California, has been building airplanes since the age of 10, bucking rivets and tearing down engines with his dad, Art Teeters, at Tom Peck Aviation. As Dave grew, so did his fascination with airplanes. Like many children, Dave built and flew model airplanes. Unlike most, however, Dave learned to fly, completing his first solo flight at the age of 16, and he didn't stop there. Gabe continued working on airplanes and became a certified aviation mechanic while still graduating from high school. Air Motive is known worldwide for its work in restoring vintage P-51 Mustang fighter aircraft, shown here, each requiring anywhere from 16 to 22,000 man-hours of restoration time, resulting in multi-million-dollar aircraft investments. Restoring and replacing components with these vintage aircraft can be difficult and time-consuming. Without the benefit of digital CAD drawings or 3D models, Dave and his team of dedicated professionals must rely on original components when available in the military's own original World War II era design drawings and specifications, all archived on microfilm no less. The RhinoCAM Advantage. Dave incorporated WWII and RhinoCAM into Air Motive in 2015 and started generating toolpaths in just 1 hour of training with the software. The company immediately began experiencing higher quality and lower man-hour costs, says Dave. In the example shown here, Dave used the touch probe digitizer on their ShopSabre CNC router to digitize the skin panel from an existing P-51 aircraft. With no previous experience with CAD/CAM software, Dave was able to create the desired Rhino surface and then design a die that he can cut on a CNC machine using RhinoCAM toolpaths. The die was then used to form press the aluminum skin component before being heat treated. We recently sat down with Dave to discuss Air Motive Specialties and its use of RhinoCAM. Here's what Dave had to say about MecSoft and RhinoCAM.
The support that you guys have given me is just, it literally has saved me from a tremendous loss in my business, because I took a bunch of work on that I thought I had employees to be able to do, and you guys being willing to work with me as a beginner and helping me get to the point that I'm at, where I can sit here and I can take a part like this and I can digitize it, I can clean it up and cam it in about an hour. Yep. And then go out and let the machine run it, and it takes about 30 minutes for the machine to cut it. Mm-hmm. I mean, that absolutely saved my bacon this year. If you guys wouldn't have worked with me, I would have ended up probably just setting the machine off to the side. Well, I'll be honest with you. I had one 1-hour class with you today, and I started drawing and cutting parts after one 1-hour class. Okay?
Well, I think the reason that is the case is that we have spent a lot of time refining the interface to make it as easy as possible. So I think that
it is.
Yeah.
It is. I just want to emphasize on how grateful I am for all of you people for helping me get through this and get to where I'm at on this. I really appreciate all of you. So.
We're speaking with Dave Teeters, President and Operator of Air Motive Specialties. Thanks, Dave. The Beechcraft AT-11 front canopy. Another project Dave and his team recently completed with the help of RhinoCAM were vacuum-formed front canopy sections for a World War II era Beechcraft A-1011 training aircraft produced from 1937 to 1970 by Beechcraft Corporation, shown here. The existing canopy was reverse engineered into Rhino using point cloud data from a touch probe sensor. The resulting surface was then used to design a vacuum form die that was machined using RhinoCAM toolpaths and AirMotive's ShopSabre CNC machine shown here. Material was out of high-density MDF. Here is a short video clip of the actual die being machined from RhinoCAM toolpaths. Today, Dave and his team at Air Motive Specialties use RhinoCAM to manufacture many other components of the P-51 Mustang and other vintage aircraft with the same high degree of accuracy and efficiency. Pictured here is the refurbished P-51 Mustang in flight with Dave at the controls. Is that pretty cool or what? Dave Teeters and his team at Air Motive Specialties are truly an American success story in flight. We would like to extend a special thanks to Dave Teeters and Air Motive Specialties for allowing us to share their success story. For more information about Air Motive Specialties, we encourage you to visit them online at airmotives.com. To find out more about RhinoCAM or to schedule your own live demonstration, just give us a call or visit us online at MecSoft.com. This video was brought to you by MecSoft Corporation, your CAM partner.